Which of the following statements is true or false? 37 does not belong to the set of all x such that x has exactly two positive factors. 28 belongs to the set of all y such that the sum of all the positive factors of y is 2 times y. 7747 belongs to the set of all t such that t is a multiple of 37. Let's look at the statements one by one. The first set is the set of all x such that x has exactly two positive factors. Which numbers have exactly two positive factors? The prime numbers. The prime numbers have exactly two positive factors, which are 1 and the number itself. So for example, 11 is a prime number because the only two factors of 11 are 1 and 11. 37 also happens to be a prime number. It has exactly two factors, two positive factors. So this statement that 37 does not belong to the set is false. The second set is the set of all y such that the sum of all the positive factors of y is 2y, and we have to figure out whether 28 belongs to the set or not. So we'll have to figure out what the positive factors of 28 are first. So 1 is a factor of 28. What about 2? 2 is also a factor of 28. 3 is not a factor of 28. 4 is a factor. 5 and 6 are not factors of 28, but 7 is a factor. We can skip 8, we can skip 9, we can skip 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 is a factor of 28. And since 14 times 2 is 28, there cannot exist any other factor between 14 and 28, because if there did exist a factor, then that factor would have to be multiplied with another number to get 28, which is not possible since 14 times 2 is 28 and there can't be any integral factor smaller than 2 other than 1, and it's 28 times 1, that's 28. So these are all the positive factors of 28. Now let's take their sum. 28 plus 14 is 42, 42 plus 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53, plus 2 is 55, plus 1 is 56. So the sum of all these numbers is 56. Now 56 also happens to be twice of 28. So 28 does belong to this set. The third set is the set of all numbers that are multiples of 37. So we just have to divide 7747 with 37 and see if we get any remainder or not. If we get no remainder, that means this number is a multiple of 37 and so it belongs to the set. But if we do get a remainder, then it means it doesn't belong to this set. It's not a multiple of 37. So if we divide 7747 by 37, we know that 37 2s are 74. So 37 2s are 74. We get 34. 37 zeros are 0. Now we get 347. Is 37 a factor of 347? No, because we know that 37 times 10 is 370. So 37 times 9 would be 370 minus 37, and that's 333. So 347 is not an exact multiple of 37, and so we get some remainder. We get a remainder of 14. So 37 does not divide 7747, and so this statement is false.